Hello friends, welcome to the Technical Study Place YouTube channel. In this video we will see about the DDA algorithm, okay, and it's from the starting point to we will find out the last point, and we will after that whatever the points we will get, whatever the integers we will get, and we will the plot the line, okay, according to that points. So in the previous video we have seen the through the slope formula and the coordination points we have find out the answer, and through that we have plotted the line, right? So here through the algorithm, DDA algorithm, through the coordinate points we will find out the next coordinate points, and we will plot the line, okay. Through the algorithm we will see. So you should see the video till the end so that you can understand, then only will understand fully and thoroughly and clearly, okay. If you are skipping the video and you are seeing, means you will not at all understand, okay. So if you want to understand the whole concept, so you have to watch the full video. So without any wasting the time, let's begin. So DDA means I have explained that digital differential analyzer. We are studying the DDA algorithm, means digital differential analyzer algorithm, okay. This is the algorithm, and or you can say the points or steps, okay. What is the first step says? Read line endpoints x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. So whatever the points or the coordinates we have been get that, we call it as x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2, okay. This is the first coordinate points and this is the second coordinate point, means or the end points, okay. The first point and the last point. So what the first point is, value is 0 comma 0, and last point value is 4 comma 6, okay. This is the x value and this is the y value, x value and y value, okay. And after that we have to find the delta x equal to, what is the delta x formula here? X2 minus x1, and delta y formula is y2 minus y1, okay. This is here slope is not there, you have to remember. In the previous video there is slope, in the here we don't have any kind of slope, okay. But if you watch the previous video, means what is there? M equal to delta y divided by delta x. So delta y means y2 minus y1, delta x means x2 minus x1 is there, okay. So here delta x means x2 minus x1 and delta y is y2 minus y1, but here no slope is there, okay. So if our delta x value is greater than or equal to delta y, so if our delta x value is greater than delta y or equal to delta y, then we will declare a variable called length, and we will assign it to the delta x, okay. So we will create or declare a variable called length and we will assign it to the delta x. Or else, means if delta x value is less than delta y value, then we will declare a length variable and we will assign it to the delta y, okay. Let's go next. Select raster unit, means okay, delta x equal to x2 minus x1 divided by length, okay. So just now I have told that delta x as it is I have put it, x2 minus x1 that also I have as it is put it, after that divided by length I have put it, okay. So similarly for delta y, the formula for delta y is y2 minus y1 I have put it, after that whatever the length we are getting, so that I have put it divided by, okay. Similarly whatever the raster unit is there, that I have put it here. Delta x equal to x2 minus x1 divided by length, and delta y equal to y2 minus y1 divided by length. So if you make this x2 minus x1 or after that divided by length, or y2 minus y1 divided by length, so whatever the divided by if we have made, so any one we will get the one. So for this statement we can write it as, this will make either delta x equal to 1 or delta y equal to 1, means after that doing this calculation we will either get the delta x equal to 1 or delta y equal to 1, so either one we will get, okay. So after doing all this we have to go, we will get the first value, means xi and yi value we will get. So now we have to find out the next value, okay. Next value means next point value means xi plus 1 or yi plus 1, okay. So to find out the next values, I have told many times, to find out the next values we have to take the previous points as the current points. So the previous point is xi, so we have taken it as the current points. So xi plus 0.5 into sine of delta x. I will say this, what is this? So similarly yi plus 1, to find out the next point, that is yi plus 1. See here, so this is the xi comma yi, means first point, okay, and this is the second point, that is xi plus 1 and yi plus 1, okay. To find out these points xi plus 1 and y plus 1, we have to take the previous points, that is xi comma y as current points. I will explain when we are doing this table, so we'll find out, you will get that. Okay, so xi plus 1 equal to xi plus 0.5 into sine of delta x. Okay, and yi plus 1 similarly yi plus 0.5 into sine of delta y. So this is 0.5 is the approximate means what is approximate. Suppose if a value is like something like 0.5 or 0.7, and then we will take it as 1. Okay, 0.5 to 0.9 or something answer will come means we will take it as 1. Suppose if that 0.1 0.1 to 0.4 if we get means we will take it as 0. Similarly if 1.1 to 1.1, so like from 1.1 to 1.4 if some answer came means we will take it as 1. So from 1.5 to 1.9 if came means it will take it as 2. So this is the approximate. Okay, so the near value what will be there, that we will be consider. What is the sign means integer value. This integer is there now, whatever the decimals we will remove it and the integer we will put. Okay, this is the sign. Okay, this is the delta x, whatever the value is there that we will put. Okay, after that whatever the integer points or numbers we will get, we will plot the points. So when we will do this we will get a better idea. So numerical means we have coordinate points, that is 0, 0 and 4, 6, that is means x1 y1 x2 y2. Okay, so whatever the coordinate points is there, that according to that I have put it here. X1 means 0 and y1 means that also 0, and x2 means 4 and y2 means 6. So according to this I have made a table here, xi and yi. These are the first points, coordinate points, which we have got the first only. Okay, 0, 0, this is xi and this is yi. Through these points we have to find out these points. Okay, so I have made here column as xi and yi, and for the to find out the next points, so xi plus 1 and yi plus 1. Okay, see here the first point we have get it here xi comma yi. Okay, and this is second point to find out means we have taken here xi plus 1 and y plus 1. Okay, to find out this point we have to take the previous points as the current points. Okay, so similarly to when we find out the second point, when we go to the next point, that is third point, so this will become the xi plus 1 comma yi plus 1. So the last one become will the xi comma yi. Okay, so to find out the these points we have to take the previous points as the current points. So similarly as the next one, so this will become xi plus 1 comma yi plus 1. So this previous will become xi comma y. To find out these points we have to take these points as the current points. Okay, so when we will do this we will get a better idea. So so this from here we have been put it. Now we will put the 0, 0. So xi and yi value, what is there, x1 and y2 x1 and yi 0 means x1 and y1 or xi or yi both are same only. Okay, so x1 and y1 whatever the 0, 0 value is there, that we have put it here 0 and 0. Okay, so now we have to find out the delta x. Okay, so what is the delta x formula? X2 minus x1. So delta x equal to x2 minus x1 means 4 minus 0. 4 minus 0 equal to 4. So similarly delta y formula, what is there? y2 minus y1. So y2 is 6 minus 0. Delta y equal to 6 minus 0 is 6. So now we have to find out the delta x is greater than or equal to delta y or less than. So let's see. So here delta y value is 6 and delta x is 4, means we have delta y is greater than delta y. So else condition is satisfied. Okay, delta x is less than delta y, so else condition will be satisfied. Okay, so delta y is greater than delta x, so this length equal to delta y. Okay, so length equal to delta y equal to 6. So whatever the delta y value will be there, we will put it as the length value. Okay, so what is the delta y value? 6. So we will put that is the length equal to delta y equal to 6. Okay, after that to find out the raster unit, what is the formula? Delta x equal to x2 minus x1 divided by length. Okay, so delta x equal to x, what is x2 minus x1? So after that calculation we have got the 4 divided by length value. What is here length value? Length value is 6. So I have put it here 6. 4 divided by 6 is 0.667. Okay, similarly to find out the delta y, what is the value? Delta y equal to y2 minus y1 divided by length. So delta y equal to, what is the y2 minus y1? So y2 minus y1 answer is 6. So after that length is there na, so length, what is the value of length? 6. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. Okay, Now we have now after that one statement, one statement I have written. So after dividing this, either delta x or delta y we will get as 1. So here you can see here delta y we have get the 1. Okay. So after that in the fifth point you can see here xi plus 1 equal to xi plus 0.5 into sine of delta x. So this formula we will execute. So okay, this formula we have to execute to find out the next points. We got the first points first only, in the coordinate points are only the first points. Now we have to find out the next points. So xi plus 0.5, that is the approximate value, and into sine. What is sine? Sine is the integer value of delta x. Okay, so xi value is 0, you can see here xi is 0 plus 0.5 into sine of and 4 by 6. What is this 4 by 6? This instead of 4 by 6 you can put it as 0.667 or 4 by 6, no issue. That is delta x value. That answer you will get as something 0.33 something you will get, but I have taken here approximate, so for that I have put it here 0.5. I will explain it, okay, don't worry. I will tell here why I put it here. yi plus 1 so equal to yi, this formula only I have put it here, yi plus 0.5 into sine of delta y. So whatever the yi value is there, that I have put it. After that plus 0.5 as it is into sine of what is the delta y value? Delta y value is 1. So 1 into 0.5 is 0.5. So 0.5. So xi plus 1 value is 0.5 and yi plus 1 value is 0.5. That I have put it here, 0.5 and 0.5. Okay. So now you have to plot the integer values, means now you have to find out the integer values. Plot integer of 0.5 in comma integer of 0.5. So just now I told that after 0.5 to 0.6 whatever the number, if the number has been given, we have to increase number here 1. Okay, means 0.5, if the here 0.5 is there, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, so something like this like number means we have to increase here number. So if the number is 0.1, 2, 3, 4, whatever the number is there, that only you have to put. So here 0.5 is there, 0.5 means we have to take the approximate. 0.5 to 0.5 means we have to increase here number. After 0 whatever the number will come, 1, so 1 comma 1. So this after 0.5 whatever the number is there, 1 comma 1. So this is the integer value. Okay, so this 0.5 and this 0.5 we have to put in the xi plus 1 and yi plus 1. So now we have got the second point values. Okay, so now we have to take the so see here. So after to find out the next this points, we have taken here xi plus 1 equal to xi plus delta x. I have taken only this much, means xi plus delta x only I have taken, instead of I have not taken 0.5 into sine. So but in the textbook for like this only, similar to this only it has been given, but if you take or not take doesn't matter. But from the second step I have not taken it, but while you are doing in the first step also, if you have not taken means then also it will become okay, because xi plus, if you have not taken means what will be there, xi plus delta x will be there. Okay, what is xi? 0. What is delta x? 0.667. 0.667 means whatever what is the integer value will become, 0.67 means 1. Okay, similarly yi plus delta x, if you remove this 0.5 and sine means what will become, delta y only will become na. So delta value is 1. So okay, so 0 plus 1 is 1 will become, so 1 comma 1 again, that only will be the answer. So it's so for the clear understand, if you want to remove the 0.5 and sine 0.5 and sine, it is better for you. Okay, so it is better for you. But from the next step I have removed this all, I have removed this because in the textbook but it has been given like this, but because of that I have done like that only in the first step. From the second points to find out the second line points, from the second line points, so I have removed this one. Okay, so if you remove this in algorithm, it's your wish, but as per the textbook view, so I have written this. Okay, I hope you have understood this, but don't worry, the answer we will get the same only. Let me explain completely, so you will get an idea. So xi plus 1, so just now I told us 0.5 and sine I have removed. Xi plus delta x, xi and delta x. Okay, xi plus delta x. So just now I have told that to find out the next points, I have to take the previous points as the current points. Okay, so I have taken as the previous points xi plus 1. So this xi plus 1 value I have put it in the xi value. So this yi plus 1 value I have put it in the yi value. Okay, So xi plus delta x, yi plus delta x as the formula says. Okay, so xi value is 0.5. Okay, 0.5 plus what is delta x value? Delta x is 0.667. Okay, so if we add up means we will get the 1.167. So I have put it in the 1.167 in the xi plus 1 value, xi plus 1 value. Okay, so similarly y plus 1 delta x means we have the 0.5 value. I have put it here 0.5 value plus delta y means 1. Okay, delta y means 1. Okay, so delta y means 1 means, so after adding this we get the 1.5 answer. So this 1.5 answer we'll put in the yi plus 1. Okay, so integer value of 1.167 and comma 1.5 answer is 1 comma 2. Okay, so why here 1 comma 2 will come. So I just now I told that 0.5 to 0.5 whatever the number is there, so we have been increased the number. Okay, so from 1.1 to 4 is there, we whatever the number will be there, that only number will become. Okay, so whatever the here number 1 is there, so the number 1 only will come. Okay, we are taking here approximate value, so as integer value. Okay, so whatever the we get the answer we have put here only, but whatever the integer value will become, we will plot the line. So to find out the next points, we will take the previous points as the current points. So whatever the 1.167 value is in the xi plus 1, so I have taken in the xi value. Okay, that is 1.167, and whatever the yi plus 1 value 1.5 is there, that I have taken in the yi value, that is 1.5. Okay, so now we will find out again. So this is the same formula, xi plus 1 equal to xi plus delta x. So xi value is 1.167, so 1.167 in the xi value, sorry. Okay, and what is the delta x value? Delta x value is the 0.667. so if we add up means we get the 1.834. this is the xi plus 1 value. Okay, so you can clear cut here, instead of 1.834 I have written here 1.234. so make it changes. Okay, 1.834 it is, not 1.234. Okay, after that yi plus 1 value I have written, this is the formula yi plus delta y. So what is the y value here? 1.5 is there, so I have written 1.5. what is the delta y value? Delta y value is 1, so 1.5 plus 1 is equal to 2.5. so now we will find out the integer value 1.834. whatever it will become the approximate value, that is 2, and 2.5 value is the, that also it will be increased by 1, that is 3. Okay, so means 0.5 to 0.9 whatever the number will be there, so we will increase the number. Okay, so here 0.5 is greater than 8 na, so means 0.5 6 7 8 here na, so for this reason we have taken here 2, and 0.5 is also 0.5 to 0.5 whatever the number will be there, so we will increase the number. So we have 2 comma 3 will be the integer numbers. Okay, so 1.834 and 2 comma 0.5, so 1.834 and 2.5, this will be the answer. So to find out the next points, we will take the previous points as the current points. Okay, so 1.834, here also you should write the 1.834, 2.5 as it is I have written 2.5. Okay, now we have to find out these points. So the same formula, that is xi plus 1 equal to xi plus delta x. So so the formula is xi plus delta x. Okay, what is the xi for value is 1.834. so by mistakenly I have written here 1.34, but it is 1.834 plus the delta x value is 0.667. so 0.667 if we add up means we get the 2.501. Okay, so here you should make it as 1.8. Okay, so we will get the answer as 2.501, that is the value of xi plus 1. so we have to put here as 2.501. Okay, after that yi plus 1 value is there, so the formula is yi plus delta y. Okay, so what is the yi value? Y value is 2.5. so what is the delta y value? 1. so we have to add up both, we get the answer as 3.5. that 3.5 I have put it in the yi plus 1, so y plus 1. so now we have to find out the both the integer value 2.5, 01 and 3.5. so we get the answer as 3, we have to make the approximate value, that is 3,4. Okay, to find out the next points, we have to make the previous points. To find out the next points, we have to make the previous points as the current points. So whatever the xi plus 1 value is there, that I have put it in the xi value. Whatever the yi plus 1 value is there, that I have put it in the yi value. Okay, so the same formula xi plus 1 equal to xi plus delta x. Okay, so what is the xi value here? 2.501, 2.501 I have put it. So after that, what is delta x value? Delta x value is 0.667, that I have put it. If you add up means what you will get? 3.168. That 3.168 is value of xi plus 1, that I have put it here in the place of xi plus 1. So similarly, y plus 1, what the formula is y plus delta y. So what is the y formula, whatever value? So 3.5 is 3.5 I put it, plus what is the delta y value? Delta y value is 1, so that 1 I have put it. If you add up means we get the 4.5, that I have put it the 4.5 in the y plus 1 value. So after that, now we have to find out the integer value. Okay, so integer value of 3.168 and 4.5 is 3,5. Okay, the approximate value, it means integer value. Okay, so now we have to, if you want to find out the next points, the previous points will be our current points. So 3.5168, the value of xi plus 1 I have put in the xi place, and 4.5 value of yi plus 1 I have put in the yi place. Okay, so the formula again says the xi plus 1 equal to xi plus delta x. So the xi value is 3.168. So xi value, the value is 3.168 na. So this 3.168 I will put it. After that, delta x is there. The delta x is value same with 0.67. So if we add up means we get the 3.835. So this 3.835 is the xi plus 1. So I have put it here 3.835. So after that, to find out the y plus 1, the same formula, y plus delta y. Y is 4.5, as you can see here. After that, delta y value is 1. Okay, that one I have put it. After that, if we add up means we get the 5.5 here answer I have put it. So to find out the integer or the approximate value, so one small statement I have written. So integer value of 3.835 comma 5.5 is 4,6, the approximate value. Okay, this is the integer value. 3,4, 3,5, 4,6, this is the approximate value. So why here only I have stopped? You can see here, 3.835 approximate value is 4 and 5.5 approximate value is 6. Okay, so 4,6, so 4,6. Okay, you can see here from 0 0 we have started, means xi comma yi, we from 0 0 started. Now we have to get the 4,6. now so we have get the integer as 4,6. so now we have to stop. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. From through algorithm we have started from 0, 0, and we got the answer as we get the integer value as 4,6. To till here we have to take the next points values. Okay, so these are the integer values. Okay, see here, you can see here 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 4, 6. So you have to take the integer value. Okay, in the graph you can plot the points, and you can draw the line like this. Okay, so this is the x value, and this is the y value. This is the x value, and this is the y value. So similarly 1.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, something like this will come, and you should point out the line. So here what you can see here, after taking the approximate value, here no decimal will be has came. Okay, means our little zigzag line will become, but not that much in the previous video has came. Okay, in the previous video many full zigzag wave line only had been came in the graph, but here because of decimal is not there in our integer, so the line what in the graph or in the Cartesian method, the line will come like similar to like this only. Okay, so I will show you something like, so in the graph you have to take this lines pixel point you have to put it here, whatever the x value is there and whatever the y value is there, according to that you have to put here. Okay, so the x value is 1 and the y value is 1, so 1 point here. So after that x value is 1 and y value is 2, so another point. So next one, x value 2 and y value 3. So similar like this you have to put here line, and you have to plot a line. So this is like this is how we can we have done the from the coordinate points from first point to end points. We have done line, we have drawn a line from point to point through the algorithm. Okay, don't be confused here. Here just now I told that 0.5 or sign, if you removed also no problem will be there. Okay, if you 0.5 or sign, if you removed also no issue will be there. Okay, you will get the same answer as 1, 1. Okay, here if you remove 0.5 and sign, 0.5 and sign, if you remove this, no issue will be there. See here, xi value is 0. Okay, 0, and delta x, what is the delta x value here? 0.667. we get the answer 0.667. 0.667 approximate value is 1. Okay, similarly yi plus delta y is there. What is the yi plus value? That is 1. Okay, sorry yi, wait, that also sorry yi value is also 0 here. You can see here 0 plus what is the delta y value is 1, so 0 plus 1 is 1, here get means 0.667 approximate value is 1, and 1 approximate value is also 1, so we get the same answer. So from the next step I have taken the directly only xi plus delta x. I have not taken here 0.5 and so. So I hope you have understood the DDA algorithm. So if you have any kind of doubts, please comment below, comment in the comment section, because the comment section is open for you all only. In the description you get the telegram link, please join that. You get the regular updates, and please hit the like button, and please subscribe to the channel, our channel, and press the bell icon also. In this video only this much. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.